Let's explore how to work with arrays in MongoDB. In this video, we'll cover storing, querying, and manipulating array data within your MongoDB documents. Arrays in MongoDB are ordered lists of values stored within documents. They're incredibly flexible, allowing you to store mixed data types such as strings, numbers, objects, and even nested arrays within a single array. Here's a basic array example. Inside a document, the Hobbies field contains an array of strings like reading, gaming, and cooking. Additionally, the Scores field holds an array of numbers, representing different scores. Arrays can be easily created when you insert a document into your MongoDB collection. You define an array using square brackets. Arrays can hold primitive values like strings and numbers, or even embedded documents. Here's an example of inserting a document with arrays. We are using db@users that insert one method to insert a user named Alice Smith. The tags field is an array containing the strings developer and MongoDB. The addresses field is an array containing an embedded document with the type home and city New York. MongoDB provides powerful ways to query arrays. You can perform exact matches or search for documents containing specific values within an array. For an exact match, the query will only return documents where the array has the exact same elements in the same order. For example, to find users with the exact hobbies array containing reading and gaming, we use db.users.find. To find documents where the array contains a specific value, such as reading in the hobbies array, we can specify the value directly in the query. For more complex array queries, MongoDB offers operators like $in and $all. The $in operator allows you to find documents where an array field contains any of the specified values. For example, to find users whose skills array includes either Python or Java, we use the $in operator. The $all operator matches documents where the array field contains all the specified values. For example, to find users whose skills array includes both MongoDB and Node.js, we use the $all operator. MongoDB provides update operators to modify arrays by adding elements. The $push operator adds elements to the end of an array. To add a single element like swimming to the hobbies array for a user with _id equals to 1, we use db.users.update1 with the $push operator. To add multiple elements at once, you can use $push in combination with the $each modifier. This lets you add multiple values like dancing and hiking to the hobbies array in a single operation. You can also remove elements from arrays using specific operators. The $pull operator removes all instances of a specified value from an array. For instance, to remove gaming from the hobbies array of the user with _id1, we use db.users.update1 with the $pull operator. The $pop operator removes either the first or last element from an array. To remove the last element, you specify 1. To remove the first element, you specify -1. In this example, we removed the last element from the hobbies array using $pop. Let's recap the key takeaways about working with arrays in MongoDB. MongoDB arrays provide flexible storage, allowing you to store mixed data types and nested documents efficiently. MongoDB enables powerful queries using operators like $in and $all for advanced array searching. Also, dynamic updates are possible using $push and $each for flexible element additions. MongoDB provides precise removal options with $pull and $pop for targeted element removal. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.